Let's take a look at another example in standard form where we are trying to find the vertex, the axis of symmetry, maximum or minimum value, domain, and range of this equation. And looking at my equation, this one looks a little bit different from example 1a because my a value is negative. And that's something we're going to have to be a little careful about as we go through, but it really doesn't complicate things that much. Just like our last problem, I'm going to start off by listing out what I have to find so that I don't forget anything. And if you want to, you can abbreviate axis of symmetry as AOS. I usually do that. And max min. Domain and range. Alright. To find the x-coordinate of my vertex in standard form, this is where we take negative b. The x-coordinate equals negative b. B is 6 here. I like to put my b value in parentheses just in case if b is a negative value, then I can just kind of help distinguish between the negative from negative b over 2a and the negative from b's actual value. So negative b over 2. What is a here? Well, a is really negative 1. This is negative 6 over negative 2, which is positive 3. So 3 is the x value of my vertex. We take this value, plug it into my equation to get the y value. Y equals negative 3 squared plus 6 times 3 plus 3. Careful with your order of operations here because this is really like negative 1 times 3 squared. I do my 3 squared first is 9, negative 9, plus 18, plus 3. Negative 9 plus 18 is 9, plus 3 is 12. So my vertex is 3, 12. Axis of symmetry, remember that's my vertical line, so it's x equals the x-coordinate of my vertex. As far as maximum and minimum value, domain and range go, it might help to just think about what this parabola is going to look like. I know my vertex is 312. Because this value is negative, my a value is negative, remember that means my parabola is upside down. And this highest point here is 312. That makes my vertex, my parabola, that makes my parabola have a maximum value. And my maximum value is my y here. The maximum value is 12. My domain's all real numbers because I can go to the left forever and to the right forever. Here's my little spoiler alert for parabolas. It's always all real numbers for the domain. I guess our normal parabolas. And then our range, our y values, all of our y values are below 12. So y is less than or equal to 12.